Hey everyone! Today we're going to be looking at relief sculptures as we start our first project. So first I want to show you these images here that are called low relief sculptures. A low relief sculpture is when a sculpture comes off of the background only a little bit. So you can see that these images here are just slightly sticking out from the stone background. Whereas a high relief sculpture is when a sculpture comes off of the background a lot. Like in the image on the left, you can see that that horse's body is fully carved out of that stone background that is behind it. And so is the man that is riding it. And the same with the president's faces on the right. So what we're going to be doing for our project is called a repousse, which is a low relief sculpture that is carved and chiseled and chased out of metal. So you use little metal tools when you're doing this with an actual piece of metal, and you hit it with a hammer to make some areas stick out further and higher, where other areas are kind of lower and closer to the background. So we're going to be creating these, but we are going to be using a bunch of materials you wouldn't expect, like cardboard and string and Sharpie markers and aluminum foil. So let's get started.